Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sat in front of my beautiful Christmas tree and I'm very excited to show you how I created this super easy, super classy, festive makeup look. So stick around and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my hair out of my face. Let me just tame the hair for a second so it's not so crazy for this entire video. There we go. Cool. So I'm starting with prepping my face using my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This has been the only primer that I've used since I got it in the summer. I just absolutely love it. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter is another one of my favourites and I think it's a secret weapon for glowy skin. I do tend to do it at the same time as my foundation. It just adds some glow and saves some time to do the two together. And the foundation I'm using today is the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation. It's really one of only two foundations nowadays that I rotate. This one is more glowy of the two, the other one is a NARS matte one. This Clinique one is long lasting and it's just perfect for this. I'm going to go ahead and blend these out. Next up is my concealer. Today I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Actually, this is one that I have used pretty much all year long. I'm just going to add a little bit under my eyes and any areas like blemishes that I think need a little bit more coverage. And again, just blend it out. I do tend to set my makeup particularly under my eyes and around my chin, any area that sort of gets oily or setting my eyeshadow, whatever it is. And today I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. This is actually my usual go-to one. I got it for my birthday earlier in the year and I haven't really used anything else since. For bronzer, recently I've been loving the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I just use a little around my cheeks and on my forehead. It's really not a lot, just enough to bring a bit of colour and dimension back to my face. My blusher today is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Luminous Flush. This is one of my absolute favourites. I just think it's a really pretty colour. I like that it's subtle but that you can still see it and you can build it. I just think it's such a beautiful blush. I just wish it wasn't quite so pricey. Today I chose the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in Precious Petals. Again, it's one of my favourites, but to be honest, what highlighter isn't? This one I bring out particularly when I want a little bit extra glow, and as it's Christmas, why not? In fact, I added a little bit more than I normally would, but just to my cheekbones, my nose, and some on my brow bones. A little dance party break to the Christmas music I have playing. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Nudes. I'm going to start with mixing Shell, Petal and Glistening Snow. The shade is definitely appropriate for this look. And I'm just going to add this to my brow bone and on top of the eyelid just for some definition. And I'm just going to blend it all out. Also taking a little of Seashell and Petal and just adding it to my lower lash line and blending that out as well. Now I'm going to tightline and underline my eyes using the Rimmel Scandaleyes Exaggerate Eye Definer. It's in the colour Taupe. I really like this pencil. I just think it's not overwhelming colour, it's not really very dark and it does a good job at staying put. And again, I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with a brush so that it doesn't look so harsh. This step is what I really think makes this look festive and Christmassy. I'm going in with a light shimmery liquid eyeshadow from Sephora. It is in the colour Power. I absolutely love this colour and the formula is so pretty and doesn't budge at all once it's dry. I think the application can apply a little bit too much sometimes, so I tend to put a little dab on and then pat it out with my finger, and then I can add more if necessary, but I definitely think finger is the best way to apply this eyeshadow. Next is mascara, and I'm going to start with, yes you heard that right, start with using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. It is another one of my favourites. It's just such a good mascara for the price point, and I love it. I'm going to quickly run my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil over my eyebrows, but as always, I'm not too fussed about them at all. Christmas dance parties. And you can definitely get away with just using the e.l.f. mascara for this look, but to add a little bit of extra volume, I'm going to go in with a coat of the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I think it just makes my eyelashes pop even more, adds so much volume. Just look at those lashes. Last but not least, to finish off this Christmassy makeup look, I'm going in with my MAC lipstick in the shade Twig. Isn't it just such a pretty colour for this time of year? I absolutely love bringing this one out in the festive season. It's a beautiful colour, it stays put, and the formula is great. I think it's just the perfect thing to end this Christmassy makeup look, to bring it all together. And there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed watching me put this little makeup look together. I certainly had fun just playing about with some makeup, and I honestly did it in about 8 minutes, so it's definitely one you could do if you're on a little bit of a time crunch. I'd say it's perfect for Christmas parties, if you just want to spruce up and be a little bit extra festive at work, any other festive or Christmas related events that you've got going. It's a really super easy one to do. And to be honest, the only two things that make it different from my normal makeup routine are the MAC lipstick. This is in the colour Twig, and it's just a reddy browny lipstick, and it's just become one of my go-tos for Christmas. And the other one is the Sephora Charged Up liquid eyeshadow. This is in the colour Power, but to be honest, any glittery shimmery eyeshadow, liquid or otherwise, will do perfectly. So I hope you have enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to, because I would love to have you here. I hope you all have a really wonderful festive season, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.